you guys like that. I do too. I do too.
Here they come.
Sideways. He heard you guys last night. He will whip that thing all night long. We're gonna have fun with these guys tonight, but they want crowd participation. They want to hear you. They don't want you to just sit there. On the last lap, when he puts out the white flag, I'm gonna make you guys get loud. Let's see what these guys do. Yeah! Cody Cam. Josh Greco out of Indiana. RJ McKenzie out of Freeport. Michael Hicks out of St. Louis. Caden Amarine out of Kansas. And Cody Simonton out of McHenry. Oh yeah. Carter Bees out of Wisconsin, way northern Wisconsin. I forget what town, way up there near Appleton. B-class up next, B-class up next, 85 junior after that, 85 junior after that. B-class, you're up next. All right, yeah, we got about one more. Here we go, white flag for Hicks. Will bust it if you guys get loud, I'm telling you. Stay with the camera. RJ loves doing tricks. We'll get these guys wild. Greco. Yeah. Why, here comes Salts, your boy. Make some noise for Salts. Next lap. Egg him on. Ready? Hicks is coming around to the whoop. All right, Lake County, let them hear you. Get your cameras out. Here we go. Checkers, make noise. Yeah! Let them all hear you. Here comes Amarine. Here comes RJ. He loves doing tricks. Yeah, finish lap. Greco sideways. All right, Salts, he's been whipping it the biggest. Make noise for Chad. Here he comes. Bust it, Chad, bust it! And Simonton, waving to the crowd. Here comes Carter Bees out of Wisconsin. And Cody Cam, snowcross superstar out of Kenosha. That's your A-class, what do you guys think of that? All right, B-class practice coming up next. B-class practice, here we go. Oh, these are B-class riders, so they're not pro, but they're not beginners. They're kind of intermediate, pretty good. Not the best, not the fastest, but they're getting there. And we had some awesome B-class racing last night. It was really good. We'll see some more tonight.
The first group is professionals. These are below professionals. That is so cute. That was sitting next door.
Look at the little smoke.
Oh, yeah.
You see the smoke coming out of them?
Still need one more flagger if someone wants to insure his liability. 18 or over, yeah, at least one, maybe two, come see me here at the tower.
Is that a dog?
Dude, how old are they?
Oh my god! Danny was 5 when he
They don't look much different. They're only 50.
They are so cute. You could have brought some food.
Yeah.
These guys are so tiny.
I know they're absolutely adorable. Somebody wants to sit there. These guys must be like 5 years old.
Yeah. Yeah, like,
Oh, number 7!
Yeah, he ain't messing around, is he?
Even put this little leg down and he goes
I'm going for
like here.
2 divisions of 50s. This is our first division of 50s out there. We'll have another division here in a moment. The little guys. We had a 4-year-old out here last night. 6:30 if you see him. I don't see him right. Maybe it might be this guy in the whoops. We'll see. He was 4 years old. We'll go over that throughout the night. We're going to have around 40 races tonight. I haven't got the actual rundown yet, but I'll get that. Cal, if you want to print, I need rider list and race order list. Please, if you could print that on a clipboard. So approximately 40 races. Some fun with you here at Lake County. All right, get ready, get loud, Kirby's. Scotty's on. Josh Greco. Chad Salt. RJ McKenzie and Cody Simonton. Caden Emerard. Michael Hicks, last night's winner. Travis Sewell and Cody Van Buskirk, both former king of Lake Counties with Sewell and Van Buskirk. They're just checking out the track, shaking it down. Look at this triple in the middle of the track. You just saw, I think it was Scotty Zont that did that. Carby on the 343 is out of Wisconsin. Scotty's on right down the road. TZR in Wakanda. Greco out of Indiana. Salt's out of Florida. Caleb Carter out of Ohio. Simonton's a local boy. RJ is out of Rockford. And Hammereye is out of Kansas. Sewell's out of Indiana. And Cola just lives right down the street. Michael Hicks out of St. Louis. Look at the jump in the middle of the track. Those guys are hunking the big triple in the middle. There's Sewell hitting it. Yeah. Here comes Kova hitting it. Cody Van Buskirk. I'm going to call him Kova all night. It's a lot easier. Quite a bit easier. Here's Salt. Salt's ripping it up the last 2 nights. Joe Dirt. Look at that bullet. All right, when you see the white flag, you want to get your videos out. When you see the white flag, get your cameras ready. Up. Here comes Greco. Here comes Salt. White flag is out. 1 to go. All right, this final time, we're going to get loud for every one of them. All right. Not yet, when the checkers come out, sorry. I'll tell you when. Checkers are coming out. Ready? There's Sewell. Yeah, Trav. Josh Greco. Yeah, heel flipper. Chad Sullivan. Oh. Scotty's on. Simonton, remember this one? Let him hear ya. Emerine. And Michael Hicks. Clean bike coming up next. Clean bike up next. Here's R.J. McKenzie. Thunder slap to a salute. And Kova. Cody Van Huskers. I'm going to call him Kova all night. Ladies and gentlemen, Joe Dirt. There it is. All right, clean bike coming up next. Clean bike coming up. This is our final practice. Hell yeah. Here we go. Get your cameras out. Get your videos with me. Best trick. First up is R.J. McKenzie. All right, this is a lap at Lake County. They'll go through the sand section. And they'll hit the wall jump. Lake County, I want to hear you loud. They'll hit the double. Let them hear you. Best trick. Oh! All right, that didn't work. Here comes Josh Greco. Here comes Kaden Emerine with a whip. Here comes Carter Bees. Let them hear ya. Whipping it. Here comes Travis Sewell. Yeah. Here comes. Oh! Yeah. Here comes Caleb Carter. Woo. Here comes Fender Slap, R.J. McKenzie. 24, you guys ready? Here he comes, let him hear ya! Yeah, double heel clicker. Send him, Rick. It's race number 1 at Lake County. Night number 2, Scotty's on into the first turn. Good thing you're here tonight, because it was amazing. How about this little guy? Once in he's 66, Bingen, 6 years old, in the 82 Connolly. Stage lane third. The 199 ride is Ryder Solace. And the 999 up Bears. 244 had a good night last night. And that is Archer Smith. Heinrichs 513 coming by. 56. Of Sodi and the X of Shetler. There's the checkers, Emmett Baker. Good job, Emmett. He was on it last night as well. Cole Joller.